Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer a domain from IONOS to Namecheap. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go over here to IONOS dashboard, click on menu, and then click on domains and SSL. And right here, you should see all your listed domains. Now find the domain that you want to transfer, and then click on these three dots under action, okay? And then click on renewal and transfer. Now on this page right here, you can start domain transfer. Now before you can actually start the domain transfer, you need to make sure, depending on your domain, okay, right here, you see renewal and transfer. If it is locked, if there's a domain transfer lock, I need you to toggle this one off, because without toggling this off, you cannot transfer this domain to a third party like Namecheap. Okay, so go ahead and toggle this off. And once you do this, you can start the domain transfer. And if you don't see this toggle button, that means if you come right here to privacy and contact details, right, private registration would probably be toggled on. If this is toggled on, you need to toggle this one off. Otherwise, that would not work. So let me show you mine. Mine is actually public already. So what you need to do after this, you need to just go over to renewal and transfer and get the authorization code. Okay, you click here on show authorization code, and then you copy this, and now you come to Namecheap, okay, because we'll be using this later. And then you come over here to this URL. Of course, you can access this through here, domains, and then click on domain transfer. Now you just enter the domain name you want to transfer. So in this case, right here, we have our domain, okay? And then what you do, you can just copy paste it or type this in if you want. Then you click on transfer, and then they will check whether that is available for transfer, whether it's unlocked. So this one is eligible. That's perfect. Then what you do, you can just add this to your cart. And when they prompt you to do so, I want you to enter the authorization code that we copied, and you can proceed with this further, okay? That's all you have to do. And if you want to add some of these other plans as well, you can also do that. So that is how to transfer domain from IONOS to Namecheap.